Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a spare tire from a GMC Canyon. First, prioritize safety by parking your truck on a firm, level surface away from traffic. Always engage your parking brake and activate your hazard lights to alert others. Next, you'll need to find your vehicle's spare tire toolkit, which is typically stored securely underneath the passenger seat. Once you've located the toolkit, carefully remove it from its storage spot. Inside, you'll find several extension pieces and your lug wrench. Connect these pieces together to form a long handle, with the lug wrench serving as the crank. Now, move to the rear of your GMC Canyon and find the small access hole, usually positioned near the license plate or bumper, which leads to the spare tire hoist. With your tool assembled, carefully insert the chiseled end into the access hole at the rear of your truck. Guide it until it firmly engages with the square-shaped notch of the spare tire hoist mechanism. Once engaged, begin turning the lug wrench counterclockwise. This action will slowly lower the spare tire from its position beneath the vehicle, so continue turning until it reaches the ground. After the spare tire is fully lowered to the ground, you'll need to release it from the cable. Push down on the retainer assembly and tilt it to pull it through the center of the wheel. You might need to lift the tire slightly to create enough slack. Once detached, slide the spare tire out. Remember, it's a good practice to periodically lower and raise your spare tire and lubricate the hoist mechanism to ensure it remains functional when you need it most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.